Can I let obasa talk first?
I just sit. Honorable Sheyi Lawal.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I think you've made history as the first Speaker of this Lagos State House of Assembly. First female Speaker of this Lagos State House of Assembly. Madam Speaker, the little time you spend as the Speaker of this Lagos State House of Assembly, you've shown a good leadership skill, which everybody can testify to that. Your calmness is second to none, and your leadership skill, which everybody can commend, because you've shown affection to every one of us, which you'll be able to hold 90% of this house without any hindrances. I thank you, I celebrate you, I wish you well in all your endeavor, and I pray to Almighty Allah that Lord Almighty Allah should grant you your heart desire. This is not the last place in life, and this is not the last time, and this is not what God have for you. You are destined to be great, and I believe you even believe in destiny, and destiny can never be changed. I pray that as you are staying, living, may God Almighty Allah be with you and grant whatever you lay your hands on. Thank you, Madam Speaker.